for the 21st century, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. It's really important to integrate, those connections. The students that we are catering can relate into it, like something that is land-based or First Nation perspective.
Have fun in learning. And once you start learning it, the whole world opens up to you. Your mind opens up and wow, there's lots of possibilities. Math is everywhere.
We had a math fest in Lakeside Martin School. This year we are celebrating this. This is our second year math fest. We are planning to incorporate the First Nation perspective with the math activities. So that's why we had so many math activities and display board with the First Nation culture. Even high school kids made this TP as a competition. Actually, they showed so many interest to learn. So even if I'm going to say just draw the circle, they don't do that. And when I'm asking them to, we are going to make a TP, so do the calculation and make a circle, they are showing very interest to that. Even the display board. I asked them to do the math game display board. They choose their own game and then they are making the display board now. So they showed very interest when we are combining the fun and the math together. First of all, I would like to thank MFNERC and MFNSS and especially Michael Waldes. He initiated this math fest, and after that our administrators. They approved everything, and finally everyone participated in this math fest program. Teachers, EAs, and the students.
I'm just looking forward to the next year and years to come for a better, bigger, brighter math fest for all the MFNS schools.